Hi, it's Sharyn Bovat, the Nissan Whistleblower. Okay, just had a day that wasn't too good. Basically, the judge who said that Nissan was not at fault for maliciously prosecuting me because the grand jury is the one that did the indictment that was dropped. Now, this is an indictment of something that a Nissan person previously sworn out. And what they said was that this time it was the ADA, Terry Wood, and I actually had a motion that was already stamped saying that I wanted to add the state to the case, but they wouldn't accept that, so I have to do a whole new lawsuit against malicious prosecution against the state. But the clear violation of the law is that the law says to stalk somebody, you have to stalk an individual. And I was accused of stalking a corporation. Now they're saying that a grand jury indictment is what they call probable cause. Well, the grand jury can't read. I mean, because if they read the statute clearly states in item 6 that you need to be an individual. So, they're saying that basically Sharyn Bovat was not slandered. Oh, she was called a stalker twice of a corporation. Sharyn Bovat did send emails to people at Nissan saying, don't waste taxpayer money. I didn't even send emails to anybody at Nissan North America, which clearly states on the paper. I sent emails to a man who wanted my emails. I sent them to him at his Japanese address. And I also found out when I was going through the client file that my ex-attorney handed me that a lot of the documents, they've been altered, they've changed. Also, I found, in reference to the trespass charge, a lot of issues. I was railroaded. People created documents after the fact. And the fact is, the actual paper in court says that Rob handed me a letter in April or May, and then in the the transcripts of the trial, it says July. There's 3 technicalities that I found out that the charge should have been dropped. And none of the lawyers, nobody caught it. And then Nissan continued to pay somebody that handed them information that the DA took to a grand jury and got me indicted for stalking Nissan, a corporation. And I didn't do anything except send them emails telling Nissan North America to not waste taxpayer money. I was just on the phone with my friend Mark Silverman at the Tennessean. He's in shock. And you know what I told him? I said, nobody at the Tennessean was here today. Nobody in the media cares. Nissan has gotten away with bullying the whistleblower, and nobody cares. I'm going to appeal. I'll file another suit, but I got to get on with my life. But I've got proof, and if you're a reporter, I will give you court transcripts. I will give you official documents. I will give you every piece of information that you need to show you that the courts in Tennessee are corrupt. And I will show you who funded the judges, and I will show you how the system in Tennessee is wrong. I had a prima facie case for malicious prosecution, and my lawyer was playing friends with other people's lawyers, and you know what? They didn't do a deadline. But even so, the Nissan lawyers communicated with everybody else, and you know what? They figured out a way to make it happen so they'd win. But you know, these good old boys have ripped off America for way too long. And if they think they're going to win the Super Bowl when it comes to this legal battle, they're wrong. Because the American taxpayers are sick and tired of being abused. The American taxpayers want respect. And if the courts cannot give it to a whistleblower who did nothing but speak out about wasteful spending of taxpayer money, then there's something wrong with this state. Tennessee, you need to clean up your act. Terry Wood lied on his affidavit. I had proof. Everybody knows it. And you know what? It didn't matter in Tennessee because he lied for the good old boys. Well, you know what? That was wrong. America deserves better than what Terry Wood did. My name is Sharyn Bovat, and I fought for America, and I'm still fighting. I knew this would happen. I'm not a lawyer. But, you know, by the time this gets to the Supreme Court, I might be. Bye.